Hi, I'm Jodie Taylor, award-winning facialist. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the fantastic ingredients and the benefits these will have for your skin within the Bronzie tanning range. The main ingredient within all the range of the Bronzie tans is aloe vera. This ingredient is widely known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. However, more importantly, it prevents transepidermal water loss. The prevention of transepidermal water loss within the superficial layers of the skin is highly important. This will reduce irritation, sensitivity, and therefore will prevent further breakouts, dryness, and aging. Another important ingredient found within all the Bronzie tanning range is Kakadu Plum. This is a fruit found in northern Australia and it has the highest potency of vitamin C in the world. Vitamin C is highly important for the skin because it will help improve the appearance and tone. It's an antioxidant which helps form proline, an important amino acid to prevent collagen degradation. Vitamin C will help prevent breakouts, it will cause a uniform tone across the skin and luminosity. Macadamia nut oil is found within the gradual tan and the mousse. Macadamia nut oil is an essential fatty acid. This is an important ingredient for protecting the barrier function of the skin. The barrier function is an invisible layer along the surface of the skin. If you can help keep this intact, keeping the skin highly hydrated, this will help prevent any water loss, any irritations, and it's really good for a youthful appearance of the skin. Guarana is also found within the Bronzie tanning range, but it's only found within the oil. So the oil is excellent for a mature skin to keep the skin hydrated and anybody who suffers with dry skin, but it's perfect for reducing cellulite. It also has toning and astringent properties and it's great for anti-aging. One of the major benefits from all the tans within the Bronzie tanning range is it will help promote collagen. Collagen is brilliant for anti-aging and improving fine lines and wrinkles. Aloe vera, the main ingredient within the Bronzie tan range. Aloe vera, we've talked about it being good for transepidermal water loss. It's also good for promoting glucosaminoglycans, the gags within the skin. Their primary function is to promote the proteins within the skin. The proteins within the skin, such as collagen and elastin, this will prevent aging of the skin and promote a healthy, youthful appearance. Kakadu Plum is an excellent source of vitamin C. Vitamin C is excellent to use within a tanning product because it will break down any previous pigmentation caused from sun damage. The tan will give you an even and safe tan.